Meteorologist Shay Ryan with an update on our forecast. We are going to see a lot of sunshine today, but it certainly will not be putting us on the warm side. In fact, the morning starting off much colder than what we saw yesterday at the same time. Lots of sunshine, though, with some light breezes through the afternoon. We top out at 62 degrees. No rain in sight today. And if you're planning on making it a beach day, expect it to be a chilly one. We are going to see high temperatures near 60 degrees at Clearwater Beach. The water temperature warmer than what it will be outside. 66 is where what the Gulf temperature is at right now off of Clearwater Beach. Again, lots of sunshine, but it will be chilly with some stronger breezes closer to the coastline. Now, the wind speeds and the seas will be coming down some through the day. We're going to have the first half of the day around 3 to 5 foot seas and then coming down to about 2 to 4. And then the same deal for the bays, starting off with a moderate chop and becoming a light chop this afternoon. The water temperature at 66 degrees. Again, a pretty decent boating day with lots of sunshine, light breezes, and no rain in sight. In fact, the next couple of days, very low chances for rain, and temperatures will gradually warm up each afternoon through the low and middle 60s. So a rather cool week is ahead for the majority of the week. And by the time our temperatures get back into the low to mid 70s, our next cold front approaches on Sunday, bringing our temperatures back down into the 60s. But it looks like our wettest day of the week will be on Friday when an area of low pressure works its way across the Gulf and into our area.